boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, what's going on? Today, honey, it's been a minute, so I am so excited to be doing this video. So before I even start, we're going to set the mood, okay? Set that right there. Yes, y'all, what is going on, honey? I miss you guys so much. We are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. You already know. I got some new products, okay? So we are going to be jumping right into it, okay? Did you miss me? Because I missed you. I've been doing a lot, all right? We're going to be starting off with prime. Now, priming ain't been new because I'm still filling my primers. Y'all already know. So we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, okay? And this is the Pro filter. But yes, I've been doing good. Listen, I have a spring collection out, so that is mainly the reason why I haven't been doing any videos. And make sure you guys check it out. It just dropped. So now, since I got that collection done, honey, we about to get in it, okay? All right, so we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty Pro filter. Now, I know y'all already done seen reviews of this before, and I know I'm late, but I had to get me some of this, all right? And I wanted to try this out because, first of all, I have never tried powder foundation before. So this is, Riri, you have stolen my virginity because this is my first time. The color that I did get was 440. So it's supposed to be a rule that you're not supposed to put any concealer over top of the powder foundation. And since I have never did this before, we gonna follow the rules. You understand what I'm saying? And then once I start playing with it, if I want to do it, I do what I want. But right now, we gonna follow the rules. Sometimes you got to follow the rules. You got to follow the rules. So we're definitely going to be concealing these eyes, honey, with the Fenty Beauty. This is the 420. And we gonna be laying them right here all under, you know, get them dark circles. I definitely did not beat myself up this week. These past weeks I did good because you know I could have been beating myself up because I didn't do my videos, but I did good, okay? So we gonna jump into Fenty Beauty. Yes, we keeping it all Fenty today, baby. This color is the 350 and I'm just gonna take a little bit because this is like my favorite little light, and I'm just gonna light all the areas I wanna light. But yes, honey, life has been really kicking my butt. I really have been working very hard. All the birthdays are almost over. I got my daughter's birthday out the way, okay? Now my husband's birthday is coming up and I cannot wait for that. I'm so excited. I'm going to let this dry just for a minute and I'm going to jump into contour. And I can't get enough of the Bobbi Brown, so this ain't new. So we're going to be jumping into this and I'm gonna just lay this like right where I want, like, you know, a little cock-a-little shadow. Cock-a-little shadow. What the hell is that? But you heard what I said. You get it. I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to blend it just like this. Oh, I forgot to put a little bit on my nose. Y'all didn't even tell me? Let me lay that right there. And as you can see, I'm putting just a little teeny bit, okay? Like, I'm not really putting too much. But yes, other than that, what else has been going on with me, boo? Being very focused, setting a lot of deadlines for myself. I definitely been making sure I do that, you know what I'm saying? Just reading and studying and researching and doing a lot of praying, you know what I'm saying? And just learning makeup. I have really, like, have a newfound love for this thing. Like, it's so crazy. That has been like my goal of trying to learn new tips and new tricks on how to show you guys how to get glam, because honey, I was not really a glam girl, like you guys already know. It just feels really good to like learn all different new techniques, you know what I'm saying? No time for fake. We are going to do a light baking. I don't want to do too much baking, you know what I mean? I don't want this to be real frozen and stiff and then I can't blend it in on the edges because I still got to put my powder down. You know what I'm saying? Take this Charlotte Tilbury because I love this Charlotte Tilbury. And this is in the color tan. I'm going to just take this Morphe R11 brush, dab some of that powder just like over top, and I don't want to crease. That's why I be dragging my shadows down sometimes because I crease like crazy. Here comes the foundation. This is how it looks. Do you think that's my color? This is the color that I use for liquid foundation. So I'm going to actually use this that's in here. I am a little nervous because I've never did this before. And now I'm gonna tap it on there. What you think? I'm going to chill on this, and I'm going to take a brush, stamp it in there like that. All right, let's try this side. It's giving me my complexion. Ooh, and this is coverage. Y'all see how that just smacked on there like that? It is definitely giving me skin. Okay, Riri. I'ma risk it all if I ever see Rihanna pull up the umbrellas in the rake and get behind her. I'm going to jump into my setting powder, and this is in the color Honey, and this is by Riri, okay? I'm just going to lay that over. And now we're going to be jumping into contour. This is the color Cocoa Naughty. Stamp this in. I'm really liking this so far. Like, this is giving me really good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I gotta still do some blending. I'm gonna keep my brows very natural, so I'm gonna jump into this Precisely My Brow Pencil. I had to zoom in for you guys really quick. I'm giving like more of a real natural brow look. I kind of just want to chill today. No pomade, more of a fill-in. And now we're going to clean these up with the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 420. They look so light on camera, but they are not that light, y'all. And then I'm gonna just take the rest that's on here, and I'm just gonna put this over my whole lid, because I really want to do like a real natural kind of like look. I'm gonna jump back into my foundation, and I'm gonna just pat that over it because I want it to be natural. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Show off. All right, so now since we have this down, we're gonna be jumping into eyes. So we're gonna be jumping into this Venus palette, and we're going to be jumping into this brown, and it is called Mud. I'm not giving y'all anything real serious today. We're just gonna do a nice little brown, fill it right into the crease. You know what I'm saying? Just fill that in. But yes, I've been really loving to get glam. The pandemic has not stopped me from getting glam. Like, I love getting glam, not just because of what I do as far as my career. You know, this is what I have to do, you know, in order to make a living. You know, a lot of people ain't really been feeling it, but let me know in the comments, because I've been definitely feeling getting glam. We're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. eye gel. I'm just going to take this and just lay this on my waterline and also under my waterline, just like that, and make it look like them people, you know, them people that don't know how to do makeup, so they just had like this big dark underline. You be like, sis. I'm gonna take that smudge brush really quick, jumping right back into that mud, blend that, and then pluck it out. So now since we have that down, let me smack some mascara in. Yes, we using a Fenty mascara because I'm black. Oh, I got a little dot. I'm gonna leave it there. Let it be a mole. I'm gonna coordinate. You got to coordinate. If it look odd, I'll get it off. So now I'm going to be popping on my lashes, and I actually been doing my lashes different. I've actually been taking just one lash, cutting it down the middle, and then I just actually been taking it and popping it at the end. Then taking some individual lashes. I've been loving this look because it's actually been elongating my eyes, and I just really like the way this look comes out. So I'm gonna be quiet real quick and put these on. So now I'm going to be jumping into Fly, and I'm just going to take a little bit of Fly. That's a lot, Fly, but I like it, Fly. Ooh. For blush, we're going to be jumping into the Beauty Bakery, and this is in the color Hey Pumpkin. Ooh, I like that. I like that. And even though it look like I'm doing a lot, honey, y'all already know how blush do. It fades off in a minute of seconds, okay? That's why I like to smack mines on there, all right? But yeah, so now we're gonna just take the brush and just blend that in. And we're gonna do some lip. So now we getting into lip, and we are getting into this Morphe. This is in the color Gypsy. Ooh, yes, okay. I'm gonna give myself a little inner corner. I'm gonna jump into Pigeon because it's kind of subtle. Hold on, I gotta touch up my nose. Oh, could we get a before or after? Can we? See how that just brought that together like that? Did you see how that nose just snatched? Jumping into the cognac candy bomb, and I love using my hands. As you can see, it just gives you like that good light, shine bright. You feel me? Aha! Put on this cognac. Be like, let me get one. Ooh, something about it, baby. All right. I got dressed really quick. We're going to jump into setting spray. We're gonna spray this face. And this is the final look. I am really feeling this powder foundation for the first time. I really love it. It's giving very natural. I'm loving it. I know, but yes, I'm really feeling this look. And if you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Boo, I know it has been a while. I haven't been doing any uploads for the past couple of weeks, but baby, I'm back at it. So make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell button too, so you will not miss my upcoming videos, okay? With that being said, I love you, boo, so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me and supporting my growth. You know I love you. You feel me? Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.